The UH-60M Black Hawk is the latest, highly upgraded version of Sikorsky's legendary utility helicopter, optimized for modern military missions. It features a more powerful and reliable airframe compared to earlier Black Hawk variants, with cutting-edge avionics, improved engines, and enhanced survivability features. Key features of the UH-60M include an advanced glass cockpit equipped with multi-function digital displays, a fully integrated GPS navigation system, digital moving map, and improved flight management systems for better situational awareness. It uses twin General Electric T700-701D engines, providing greater lift, speed, and endurance. The composite wide-chord rotor blades deliver better performance, especially in high and hot conditions. Enhanced armor protection, redundant systems, and crash-worthy seating increase crew survivability. The cabin can be reconfigured for troop transport up to 11 fully armed soldiers, medical evacuation 6 stretchers, or cargo transport over 9,000 lbs internal or 9,000 lbs sling load. Specifications: max speed 183 mph to 195 km/h. Range 370 miles 600 km without external tanks. Service ceiling 19,000 ft 5,790 m. Max takeoff weight 22,000 lbs 9,979 kg. Crew 2 pilots plus 2 crew chiefs gunners. Payload 2,640 lbs internal, 9,000 lbs external. Pricing: the unit cost for a UH-60M Black Hawk is approximately $21.25 million USD, depending on configuration and mission equipment packages. Foreign sales through programs like Foreign Military Sales FMS can vary in total package price due to added logistics, training, and support elements. Overall, the UH-60M represents a blend of proven ruggedness and cutting-edge upgrades, making it a frontline workhorse for modern armies worldwide.